Okay, right now I'm going to put the pearls onto my top of my fabric pleating to hide the nasty top edge. So I've got just a little bit of white fondant here. If you want to, you can add Tylos to this, but it's not necessary. And I'm just going to roll a little snake. Yeah, I didn't do too well in kindergarten, so I do have issues trying to roll these things. So it's a pretty thin little, this is just a 6mm, so it's a pretty thin little rope here. Doesn't matter how big you make it. Okay, or how even it is. And then I dust the top of it with a little bit of my super pearl. And then I'm also going to dust my mold. This is the 6mm mold. And again, you don't have to have one of these, but you want to dust it with super pearl. So fill the cavities up completely. You just want to dust it in there nicely. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to actually come down and press it in and then close it up so it's in there. And then just take your spatula and run it along this edge. Ta-da! Get rid of all the excess. I'm just squeezing it together to get rid of the excess and hopefully not locking those pearls in for life. And then when you open it up, you just want to run your finger against the edge here to kind of convince those pearls, yes, they do want to come out. Cooperate, cooperate. There we go. You can always tell when you didn't put quite enough of your super pearl in there because they stick too much. Oh yeah. I'm just telling them, come out, come out. Really, you're gonna look nice. You look fabulous. There we go. That's okay if they break off from their little string. It's not a big deal. We're gonna go ahead and put a little water right here. Not too much. And then we're going to condense this little pearl strand. Whoops, that's okay. Then it wants to go on here. As you can see, it hides that nasty little edge. Let's see my little extra piece that fell off. No big deal. I'm just going to add it on right there. I'll get rid of that. There we go. And see, I had a little piece of white right down there. We'll just get rid of that, and it just comes right off.